This is a great hairstyle for anybody who wants to do it. Oh, wrong button. There we go. What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? It's TheMunchBowl here, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do a barrel roll hairstyle. I believe that's what it's called. So this hairstyle is a very easy hairstyle to do, and it's amazing if you just get a retwist and you want to keep your retwist, like you don't want your retwist to unravel. It's a very great protective hairstyle. I believe that's what they call it. And it's snowing outside, but I'm like super hot right now. I just came from walking outside. I don't even know. But anyways, I just take this off. And it still looks like I have a hair tie, and that's cool. It looks like this because I just washed my hair earlier, and after I washed my hair, I let it dry for like 10 minutes. I put this right back on, which I don't recommend any of y'all do because your hair could literally lock up together like this. But if you want it to look like this and lock up like this, then y'all could go ahead and do that. But me, I'm not trying to have my whole head be a Congo, so yeah, I wouldn't really recommend doing that. But of course, it doesn't hurt to do only one time because as you'll see, my hair isn't all locked up in that form. So yeah, that's cool. But anyways, I just got a retwist like not too long ago, but y'all see all this new growth. That really isn't really new growth. I mean, some of it is new growth, but you know, some of it is just, you know, the retwist unraveling, which I'm still trying to like learn the whole like mechanics behind retwisting and like how to like keep your retwist and everything. But I found that this works very well, and yeah, I'm just about to show y'all. And for me, I can't braid my hair. I shouldn't say I can't braid my hair, but I don't necessarily know how to braid my hair. I mean, I know how to do like plaits, I think that's what it's called. But I don't know how to like do cornrows or like 2 double braids back. But I do know how to do this hairstyle, which is a barrel roll. And basically, just pretend I had a retwist. I know my hair looks weird right now. But anyways, you want to part your hair down the middle. Alright, so since my hair doesn't part straight down the middle, it goes in this zigzag pattern. But anyways, once you have your hair parted and you have your retwist, I recommend doing this after you actually do your retwist and not while you're doing your retwist, because you can't really do it while you're doing your retwist. But after you do your retwist, you want to make sure you grab a dreadlock, right? You grab a dreadlock. Twist it again, you know, just to make sure that it's actually tight. But trust me, don't make it too tight because that can damage your scalp. But just twist it enough to the point where, you see this, I'm going to show y'all an example. I'm twisting this dreadlock and I'm twisting it until you see it like, boom, you see it's like contracting in. Right there is contracting. Get to the point where it's almost contracting, but it's not contracting. It's like when it's at its maximum twist, I guess I could say. Because if you go beyond this maximum twist, boom, it'll start, you know, contracting and going back into your scalp. But if it feels too tight on your scalp, then loosen it up a little bit. So once you have this dreadlock twisted, right, you want to get a dreadlock above it. So that would be this one right here. You twist that. I'm gonna bring this back like up. You bring this dreadlock that's on top over like that. Then once you have that down, you go to that initial dreadlock, that first dreadlock that you twisted. You go and you get a dreadlock that's beside it. You twist that and wrap it around the front. And basically you just want to keep going with that pattern all throughout your hair. And it'll keep wrapping around eventually until it's all in one spot. Because if you see right here, it's all in one spot now. You see all of them are in a, like kind of the same area. So you just still want to wrap them around until you don't have any more dreads to wrap around. And this is kind of tough for your shoulders, so just be aware of that. Basically, if you don't know what this is doing, every time you wrap a dread around, it's securing the dread that you wrapped before that one. So it's basically just keeping it in place. And it gets kind of weird when it gets, you know, towards the back, but we'll have to do. And Boom. And any dreads that are sticking out, just tuck them in. You can also use bobby pins to clip these down. And usually what I do is these dreads hanging in the back, I'll just get a hair tie or something, wrap it around, and put my hair up into the hair tie. Now trust me, this isn't my best version that I did. If y'all saw my retwist video, I did it really good, and that was actually my very first time doing this. It's not too difficult to do, especially if you have longer hair. If you have longer hair, it's way easier. But anyways, this is how it's looking. It's a great alternative to braids because, you know, now everybody knows how to braid. I don't know how to braid. I don't know how to braid my hair back. And plus, you know, it's kind of difficult for me to braid my hair because, you know, it's kind of too short for me to braid it. I'm pretty sure other people probably could braid it, but I can't. So this is just a great alternative to it. Plus, if you can't get all this hair into it, it's good to just, you know, like I said, put it into like a hair tie. Contemplating doing this side. I wanted this to be a little bit of a short video, but I might do this side too and show you how that looks. And if y'all notice, you'll see these are really tight and nice and sectioned out. And it's going to stay like that as long as it's either wet or has locking gel. It doesn't have to have locking gel, it could just be wet. In fact, I recommend only retwisting your hair with water, just because, you know, locking gel, you know, it's not really necessary. If you leave this in for about like 2 weeks, then or even a week, your hair will be nice. It will stay in its retwisted form. It won't really puff up or anything. But anyways, I'm going to do this side now. I actually have to go somewhere, so this video is gonna be cut short. But y'all can see I was doing this one, and obviously this one looks a little weird because I didn't finish it all the way. But basically, this is a great hairstyle for anybody who wants to do it. It's easy. It's just you have to get your hair into like the right place. So yeah, if y'all like this video, please make sure to like it. If y'all want to see more videos from me, please make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so y'all never miss out on another video from me. And with that being said, I love you all, and I'll see you all in the next video.